Somebody done stripped this boy and left this boy, man. They weren't playing. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. Your boy Big Play Ray is about to sell that Monte Carlo. I bought that Monte Carlo on a Friday. It's now Sunday. No, I haven't been back over there to check the car out. Last time, that day that I bought the car, I parked it over there at the office that Friday, and I ain't been back over there since. So if y'all know, that car won't pass emissions, so I gotta sell it to somebody in a non-emissions county. So as soon as people hit me up, I'm like, yo, what county you in? What county you in? So I got a girl coming from Griffin. She lives in Griffin, and they don't got emissions out there, so that's good, man. That's good. You know what I'm saying? So we on our way over there right now. Y'all see where we at, man. We about to get on the highway right now. About to go towards the office so I can sell this beast. That car run excellent, man. So, I ain't got no complaints. Oh, and we got to get over there to take the beat out the trunk. I know y'all remember the beat. We taking the beat out the trunk. Hopefully I can get there before she get there. She said she about an hour away. Like I say, today was Sunday. Today is Sunday, so I was in there laying down, sleep. I looked at my phone and I seen her messaging me. So, but if you haven't already, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done so already, man, make sure y'all do that for your boy. Make sure y'all follow your boy on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. And most importantly, if you want to learn how to do what I'm about to do right now, which is sell a car without putting no money into it. Y'all don't remember, I ain't put the brakes on that car or nothing. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to give it to him for a good price, and that's just gonna be that. You know what I'm saying? As far as the way the car run and drive, the car running and driving good. So if you want to learn how to check out cars, learn everything I know about this auction game, you know what I'm saying? You don't want no limit at the auction. If you want to start buying cars, I got a basic package on there for y'all. I got a full curriculum package on there for y'all. I got everything y'all need, I'm gonna show y'all everything I know in the full curriculum package, and then in the basic package, I'm just showing y'all how to pick out a car. You might be trying to buy off Craigslist. You might be one of these people. So for example, the basic package could be used for this. Like, see how this girl coming out here to buy the car? This could be, I could be trying to sell her a messed up car right now, but if she had the basic package, she'll know how to pick out a car. She'll know what she's doing. So make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com, man. But yeah, man, I'm gonna see y'all when we get there. I'm gonna give y'all a little footage on the way there, because I do gotta go there. And I'm honestly, y'all, I don't got the little things to unscrew the little thing out the amp and all that. I'm about to get some scissors or get some cutters and cut them damn wires and keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to make it look all pretty. Now if she's there, like she pull up on me and I'm taking the speakers out and all that, shit, if she want to pay $150, she can have the speakers. You know what I'm saying? This is just about to sit in my closet anyway. I ain't got enough room for it. I ain't got no, I'm not about to put it in this car and shit. I got enough stuff over there by my mom's crib. I don't want to put nothing else in their garage, man. So all the stuff over there in the garage, and my mom's in them garage, that's my shit in there. So it's like, damn. And I don't got no garage to keep nothing at. So I don't want to add something else. So it's probably about to come home with me and just sit in the closet, because I ain't got nothing to put it in. But let me give y'all some of this footage, man. I'll see y'all when we get there.
Perfect.
just got cars everywhere, bro. But pulling up over here on our partner right here. Here it is, man. Let me get the key out this joint real quick. My bad, guys. Oh, where is the key? Oh, the key is right here. Alright, y'all, so let's get in this thing. Gotta take the key off this. This paper right here. So I think we still got power, yeah. So we good with that. Let's see what we got, man. Y'all, if y'all haven't seen the car, let me show y'all real quick. Hold on. Gotta show y'all the car, man. We got good tires. You know what I mean? String beam. Just look at it, man. That's a nice car, y'all. Y'all can't tell me that is not no nice car. Look at that. Look at it. That joint clean, man. Monte Carlo, 2004 Monte Carlo. Y'all see it, man. Got that dark tint. Got that white thing right there looking righteous as well. Let me take this key off. Matter of fact, no. We supposed to be doing what we supposed to be doing. All right, so this is what I was talking about, y'all. Right now, I ain't got the time to be taking all of this off. Let me see. I might be able to just rip that out of there. Yeah. Oh shoot! I was just about to say I don't want it to touch. I don't want to touch the the freaking ground of the car. And look what I just did. All right, so we're gonna have to cut these though. All right, so and then we're gonna cut the access wire and all that off too. As soon as I said I don't want to ground, some little spark. So you gotta make sure the car crank up and all of that, man. So this is what I was talking about, y'all. I'ma just chop. We're gonna do one at a time. Come on, man. Chop. All right, y'all see what I'm trying to do. Maybe I can set up the camera in here so y'all can get a better look, man. That's perfect, isn't it? So yeah, man, like I say, we just gonna chop, homie. And then we're gonna cut this access wire off here. Now we got a clean cut here. Get a clean cut here. So we got some clean cuts. We don't want no wires touching each other. And all right, so yeah, we good, man. So let's take these off as well. So there go my amp. There go my subs, baby. Y'all see what's going on, man. So let me lift this out, put this in the car. That's kind of heavy, so I'm gonna have to make some room from the back seat, get my amp, and gonna get this thing a cold start. All right, and just like that, I want to show y'all that I did put some electrical tape on the power wire, so won't nothing touch. What the heck is going on here? This guy, oh wow, the RCA cable was messed up, so they rigged it up. They spliced it and then took two connectors and then attached it. That's crazy, but they got the job done, right? So yeah, man, let's get this thing cranked up. First start. Let's see, man. First crank of the day. I know some of y'all gonna be like, damn, why you just didn't disconnect the battery? I ain't want to. Make sure this joint still work, man, because we did hear that spark and all of that. Okay, cool. Let's go to the regular radio. Make sure everything working, man. Oh, round and round. Everything's still working, man. Y'all see it, baby. And if for y'all who don't know, y'all ain't seen the other video when I bought this car. It's 200. Ooh, that sun. 235,000 miles cranking up just like that there. Sounding all good in the hood. This car clean, man. Get off my car, man. Got it for the cheap price. I wasn't just gonna get this car away, man. This car ride good, y'all. Trust me. Trust me. The AC worked. Did y'all know that the AC worked? This is what I'm saying. I don't know what the hell what kind of wiring they did to the car, man. But I ain't touching none of that. This is what I was talking about. I could have. Damn, where is the See, man, I ain't got time for all this. I think they attached it here. I ain't got time for all that, y'all. I wasn't about to do all that, man. I'd rather just put some electrical tape on there under the bottom so it won't do it again. And I know y'all be dogging the 3.4 motors out, but I like the 3.4. Hey, listen, I was just talking about to somebody about that the other day. The 3.4 motor, this motor ain't steered me wrong, man. But that 3.8 or 3.9 or whatever the hell it is, man, that motor ain't no good to me, man. I like the 3.4. I like the 3.1. You know what I'm saying? My very first car had a 3.1. Y'all know Bubba, he had the 3.1. But let's pull this thing around, man. I like the tint on this thing, everything, man. It's very nice. Y'all hear it crank right up too. Yeah, this might not be the original motor in this joint. Y'all know them RPMs don't work. Boy, ride. Damn, the sun everywhere, G. Yeah, man, we gonna put this boy in the front up here, man. Gonna put this thing in the front so they can see it. Park this thing right here. So y'all give me a minute, man. I'm gonna park this joint real quick and get ready for these folks to come, y'all, because Big Play Ray about to sell this car. Now, it wasn't in a day, but Friday, Saturday, Sunday, a day. Yeah, well, one day has passed, you know what I'm saying? So it's not the next day, that's what I mean to say. But man, we got this thing parked, man. Let this thing warm up a little bit. Go fix that car in the back. And oh yeah, I gotta fix the paperwork, because I like to do the paperwork, because I don't want to sit there in the office with you for too long, you know what I mean? So let me go do that. Yeah, man, and y'all see the beat. I wasn't playing. Decided to take a little ride, man. Ain't nothing else to do. They on their way, man. But this car rides so good, I just wanted to ride in a little minute. It was still feel like it was beating when I took the subwoofers out. But man, y'all see me, man. This thing is riding, dude. For sure, for sure. Just want to take it around the corner real quick, man. Yeah, this thing riding though, man. Y'all about to see. Let me show y'all real quick. Show y'all, man. Watch this. Oh damn, I can't show y'all the RPM because RPM not working. But y'all see it, man. It's shifting and everything, dude. Stop playing with me, man. 200,000 on this joint. Still whipping. Y'all better go to wehustledaily.com because y'all getting lemons. Don't matter what I buy, man. That joint gonna ride though. Yeah, that's what I be trying to tell y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can buy whatever you want to buy on wehustledaily.com. I'm just trying to show y'all a skill on how to buy and sell a car. You know what I'm saying? So you won't get a lemon. For real. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to help y'all. Help me help you. Help me help you, because have y'all seen me buy something? Hold on, let me make this turn. Have y'all seen me buy something messed up? You know what I'm saying? Everything I get drive home. Y'all, some of y'all gonna get something and y'all ain't gonna make it home. I'm telling y'all. I don't know why people think this auction game is just sweet, cause it ain't. That check engine light ain't came back on either. But they probably gotta drive it a little bit more, man. Y'all don't know what I'm talking about. wehustledaily.com again, you know what I'm saying? But let me go on back, cause I'm going kind of far now. So let me go on back over here so I can sell this car to these people, y'all. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. I'm pretty sure they gonna buy it. The car ride good, you know what I'm saying? So they gonna buy it. I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, check this shit out. Somebody done stripped this boy and left this boy, man. They wasn't playing. They left that shit right over here in the damn, on the side of the road. That's crazy. Boy, people be stealing them cars, boy. Yeah, stealing cars, strip them joints out and keep moving. But yeah, let me get back over here. I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, Hustle Nation, man. It's dark out here, y'all. Let me talk to y'all for a minute. Turn this light on. Hold up. Throw that in there real quick. Turn this light on, y'all. Oh, man. Can y'all see your boy or what? So, we just sold it. Y'all know how the game go, man. We just sold that thing. Show y'all. Pull up front real quick. It's dark, though. I need to pull this car up front anyway. But, guys, we just sold the Monte Carlo. 2004 Monte Carlo, man. Just sold that boy. Made some good money off that thing. Chicken wing. I gotta go back into this office and do this paperwork and stuff. She paid everything she needed to pay. So I need to go in there and go in here and fix this thing up, do this thing, man. And yeah, I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, baby. It's gonna be a wrap. Look at her. I don't see it, man. It's gonna be a wrap, though. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell. What are you doing? Oh my God, bro. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so y'all can join the Hustle Nation, man. Make sure y'all follow your boy on the gram, wehustledaily.co, if y'all haven't done so already, man. And make sure, most importantly, if y'all want to learn how to do what I just did right there, which is flip my money in one actual business day, y'all better go to wehustleacademy.com. There's a lot going on over here. So, yeah, man, appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Make sure y'all go to wehustleacademy.com, man. Big play race selling cars in one business day. You already know how it goes. Lady Kane bought it. Let me go do these taxes, man. It's your boy Ray. Big play Ray. I'm gone. Peace.